So I thought I already covered pretty much everything there is about true classic tees until I came across this comment about their activewear tees, and I was not going to bother with them until the commenter raved about the quality and comparing it to Lululemon. So today we're going to be checking out their activewear tees, their comfort shorts, and active shorts. Let's get into it. Now, full disclosure, yes, the boring part that everyone skips, I did reach out to True Classic Tees if I could try these out, and they were willing to provide product for this video review. This is not a sponsored video, and I am not being compensated to say anything outside of my own opinion. I get so tired of repeating that. But also, I want to thank you guys for the support on these type of video reviews, because if it wasn't for you, these videos wouldn't be possible, really. I would be broke if I constantly, purchase all this stuff to review. So thank you. Okay, now that I got that out of the way, let's start with their active tees. Now, comparing them to the regular tees, the active tees feels much lighter, smoother, and just airy, if that makes sense. And they are just a bit thinner than the regular tees as well. Now, one thing that remained the same is the fit. They stayed true. True, get it? True classic tees and a true, get it? No? Okay. But they stay true to the signature fit that many guys appreciate by having, shoulders, chest, and arms very fitted while being loose in the stomach area. Now, fit shouldn't be an issue with this one because they also added spandex, so I don't think I would size down or up with this one. In fact, I would recommend you stay true to size, get it? No, if you were to purchase these. Now, another thing to note, which the commenter mentioned, is that he wears it out on date nights and stuff. You can go out and wear this casually if you wanted to, because it doesn't look like an activewear tee where it has somewhat of a mesh weaving or very shiny performance fabric. So if you need a bit of a bit of more stretched, some of that moisture wicking, what's it called? That moisture wicking properties on these t-shirts, and yeah, you could possibly pull these off outside of the gym. Moving on to the comfort shorts. Now, I'm not too confident showing as much leg here, but I feel good wearing these. Yeah, it's a bit shorter than I would normally go for, but they don't billow out and make my legs look skinnier. The taper is just perfect without being too tight to where it makes it look like I'm wearing booty shorts, or just something that I just don't feel comfortable wearing. The stretch on these is amazing. Look how far I can stretch these and they still hold their shape. Zero constriction. Just a great casual all around situation pair of shorts. Now we move on to the active wear shorts. It's a tad bit tighter than their comfort shorts, but I wouldn't size up. The fabric is also a performance fabric with a liner included. I can do movements with it, no problem. But also know that they are not as stretchy as their comfort shorts. One thing that I do not like about this specific pair is the Velcro pocket. I wish they would have went with a zippered one like their comfort shorts, because Velcro can get annoying if you're trying to keep it open the whole time. But yeah, that's just one small issue that I have with these. I did test these out at the gym, and I didn't get to record much footage, but I was able to move around, squat, do everything without any constrictions really, and helped me, the stuff, tees and shorts helped me stay cool. But if I were to be honest, if I were to choose between these two shorts, I would go with the comfort shorts over the gym shorts, because you could really use these pretty much anywhere really, for the gym or just lounging around, and they just feel much better than the active shorts, man. And they just conform to your legs, and my cheeks look really nice while I'm walking around strutting on the, strutting around on the streets. But overall, I think these are very solid for the price, and the tees are just much more durable than the regular tees if you were to also wear them outside of the gym. I put some through a stress test in a dryer and washer. Really no shrinkage at all. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll make sure to include the discount links in the description below. Please make sure to like this video if this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.